Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of an image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to change the color of an image. At first, insert the image. Go to the insert menu, select picture option, then choose this device. Now I am select a image and click insert. Now you can see here a image. Now we want to change the color of this image. Go to the picture format menu, choose the color drop down menu, and we can see here many color of the image. Now I am change the color of image. Now I am select this color. Now we can see we change color of picture in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.